Ever feel like your paycheck vanishes the moment it hits your account? What if I told you there's a simple, proven way to take control of your money and make every dollar work for you? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a monthly budget that actually works and transforms your financial future. The truth is, most people don't budget because they think it's restrictive. But without a plan, they're stuck in the endless cycle of stress and missed opportunities. Let's break that cycle today. By the way, if you're thinking, ugh, budgets are boring, stick around. I promise this is going to be way more exciting than you expect. And hey, being broke is way more boring, right? Stay with me until the end for a bonus tip that will make budgeting practically effortless and help you save even more money. Budgeting isn't just about numbers, it's about priorities. A good budget aligns with your goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a home, or just feeling less stressed about money. Think of a budget as a GPS for your finances. Without it, you're just driving aimlessly, hoping to get somewhere. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's tackle a common myth about budgeting that's holding so many people back. The biggest myth? Budgeting means no fun. That's just not true. A good budget includes space for the things you enjoy. It just keeps you from overspending. Think of it this way. Would you rather budget for that $5 coffee every day, or wake up one day wondering where your rent money went? Yeah, me too. Now that we've cleared that up, let's move on to the simplest, most effective budgeting method for beginners. The 50-30-20 rule. This rule divides your income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for beginners. Let's say you make $3,000 a month. That's $1,500 for essentials like rent and groceries, $900 for fun stuff like eating out, and $600 to save or invest. Easy, right? But what happens when life throws unexpected expenses your way? Don't worry, we're covering that next. No budget works without tracking. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, or keep it simple with a spreadsheet. The goal is to see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Here's a fun fact. Most people underestimate how much they spend on dining out. Quick question. How much do you think you spend on coffee every month? Double it. Yep, that's probably closer to the truth. Now let's talk about preparing for the unexpected, because emergencies don't send you a calendar invite. An emergency fund is your safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Imagine your car breaks down tomorrow. Without an emergency fund, that repair bill could mean skipping rent or using a high-interest credit card. Let's avoid that stress. Finally, let's make budgeting effortless with one simple trick. Here is the bonus tip for you. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and automate bill payments. This removes the guesswork and keeps you consistent. Now that you've got the tools to create a budget that works, take your financial journey to the next level. Watch my next video on the power of compounding to learn how small investments today can grow into life-changing wealth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip.